Hey everyone, it's Nilanjana here, and today I'm going to show you this makeup look, which is a really easy and affordable college makeup look, like everyday college makeup look. And if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So let's get started with the makeup now. So for my foundation or my base, I'm just going to use the Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation. I think you can see it. Yeah, I think it's focused, right? So the Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation I'm going to use all over my face as a base. So this thing has an applicator in it. So I'm going to apply not too much, just a bit of this foundation all over my face. And now I'm going to blend it out. I think blending your foundation with your fingers is the quickest option to do. You don't need any tools or anything. So I think it is the quickest option to do. And make sure to pay attention on the crease of your noses, because this area, so I saw some people that they have all blended foundation everywhere, but the crease of their nose is left out or something of that sort. So make sure to pay attention to this part of your face. After I have blended out my foundation, I'm going to apply a sunscreen powder. So this is SPF 25. This is Kea Shades Aromatherapy PA++, UVA UVB SPF 25 Umbrella Sunscreen Powder. And this powder is really good. I really like this powder. I can show you this powder as well. Yeah, I'm showing you guys this. So this is how the powder is like. I think it costs around 170 rupees, so it is affordable as well. And this powder is colored, guys. This is a tinted powder, as you can see. So it doesn't give me any kind of coverage or anything, but it gives me sun protection without making my skin greasy or anything of that sort. So I'm just going to apply this powder all over my face. So I am going to apply this powder on my neck area as well. So yeah, that's done. And now I am going to do my eyeliner. And I have to do an eyeliner, then you can do it. And if you don't want to do an eyeliner, then you can skip this part. You can apply only mascara, or if you want to apply any kind of kajal or colored eye pencil, you can use that. But I really like to apply eyeliner. I always do apply some eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm using Lakme Insta Liner for this reason. This is really affordable and really good, guys. The quality of this thing is so good. I am showing you the tip of it. A second, give me a second. Look at the tip of it, guys. Just look at the tip of it. I think this is one of the most affordable and most good eyeliners available in India. So yeah, I'm gonna do a winged liner. my winged eyeliner is also done. Now it's time for the lipstick. So for my lipstick, I'm going to use two lipstick. Like I'm going to mix two of the lipsticks together and make my own custom made shade. So one of them is from Avon. It is the color, is this, it's a nice pink color. It's from Avon. It's from the Avon Simply Pretty collection, and the color name is Lovely Rouge. So this is the color I'm going to use, and the another color is Miss Pink from the L18 Color Boost, I think. Color Boost lipstick. So yeah, I'm going to mix those colors and make my own custom made color. So this look right here doesn't need any kind of eyeshadow or blush. You can apply a blush. Like I'm gonna take a bit of this pink lipstick and apply it as a cream blush, like so. Like I need a mirror, like this, and yeah. And now we are going to apply some mascara. I'm not going to apply any mascara on my bottom lash line because I want to keep it a bit natural. So yeah, I know I'm a bit weird, but at last I'm going to do my brows, because doing my brows is really simple, you guys. So I'm going to take a normal black eyebrow pencil and I'm going to apply it on my brows. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I really like this look, guys. It is really easy to do. I know, like I was talking to you guys, I was explaining the steps to you guys, so it take me a little longer. Like it didn't take me more than 15 minutes, I think. So it took me a little longer, but if I do it when I'm going to college and in a hurry, then I can do this look within 5 to 10 minutes. Like I can definitely do this look within 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, this is the completed look. So you can style your hair like this or something of that sort. Like you can style your hair whatever the way you want to do it, but I really like to keep it simple and yeah, casual. So this is the completed look. If you like it, then please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see my upcoming videos, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any video request or if you have anything to tell me, then please feel free to comment below. And that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.